All right, test one of the new GTX 1080 graphics card. I left all the sides off, that's where you see the panels over here. And there's the inside of it, and well, down in there's a mess. But if I did it right, wait, did I turn it on? I don't know. Please? Oh, well, we have lights. Well, stuff is working. She's a humming. That's the motherboard. Ooh, that's dirty. And now it's clean. I would show you that, but there's like a lot of stuff. I guess I could like drop you down in there. You see it in there? You can't really see the graphics card. Well, the operating system is going. I know this is boring to watch, but if something should explode or smoke, I wanted to record it. Because someone else just got a card and their computer would not run a game after they installed it. And so mine was being weird because I have these, I suppose, my original thing had, it was like a, what is it, 6? It had a 12-point connector on it. So it had like these two together. So there's that 3 and then that 3. And I'm not even sure what this goes to anymore because here's the old card. And like I said, it had a 12-point connector on it right there. But this one only has an 8. So I couldn't figure out what to do, but I ended up like twisting this one upside down so that it would go in. And so that's the only thing I'm worried about what it might do. My computer does take a long time to start because I have like 8 million programs that boot up on start, which doesn't really bother me. Normally I just come in and push the button and then it comes on. And then, you know, I change clothes, whatever, from work. But the rule of thumb is to never put the case back on when doing any upgrades because you never know what will go wrong. Ever. So that's why I have these cables that are stringing up. Oh, that's the wrong resolution. What's that sound be copyrighted? Oh, long A password. Okay. Well, at least the resolution is closer. Come on, 3 screens. Well, I just got 1 screen. Is that not a good thing? Well, I guess it is. It has to install the drivers. Your device is ready to use. Not even all of my icons fit on my screen. Well, something has to be right. That's the wrong port for that. Because this is the that one's the HDMI port down here. So is it screen resolution? Detect? What am I doing wrong? Uh-oh. There's a problem initializing DirectX 9. Please ensure video drivers are up to date. Oh no. Okay, well, we'll come back in a minute. Okay, moment of truth. I'm gonna click on Skyrim because that's probably the most intensive thing I have. Skyrim now take your video, how to set your video options accordingly have been set to ultra high quality. Oh yeah. So let me see, let's go to options. Ultra, I thought I could do like, yeah, everything is on high. Reflect land, reflect objects, trees, sky, view distance. Oh my gosh, it's all the way. Everything is maxed out. Oh my goodness. Oh, are you ready for this? Don't crash, computer.
Oh, turn it up. Is that too loud? That might be too loud. If I continue from last save, there's no telling where this is going to take off at. Watch me be in the middle of a fight. Level 78. Oh, there's no lag whatsoever. Oh, I was building my house. Oh, that's so awesome. Can I move? No. Is it this one? Is that a dragon? I don't know. It was my house. Dude, I just need to play like a new game on Skyrim because I play it so much. It's anyway. Anyway, we're getting off track. That runs beautifully. That means I can now put this mess all back together in there. But that's what I did today. And now I have audio foam that I have not put on the wall yet. So they'll probably go up there somewhere. But that's what I did today so far. I woke up and I played on my phone forever. And then I installed my new graphics card because it needed to be virtual reality stuff. And the inside the headset was lagging. So I went ahead and bought the 1080 graphics card, which has a new Pascal GPU in it, which is graphical processing unit, I believe. But anyway, it's running smoothly, no hitches. Although when we first booted it up, it didn't have the actual driver installed. And then for some reason, this screen wasn't rendering, but I hadn't plugged it in the back of the case because the Vive uses another HDMI, and so you take out that screen, which now, if I order another one of these, I could get all 3 screens on, plus the HDMI output to the Vive. It would be having like 4 screens. That is amazing. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna buy it's like $10 for the cord. But yeah, I didn't think about it because I was just like, oh, it's HDMI, I'll plug it up, whatever. But these are DisplayPort to HDMI cables because my monitors are really old. And I'm talking a bunch of tech drama, but you guys probably don't even want to hear that. So for the rest of the day, I am going to go see the new Star Trek. Well, it's not new anymore. It's the newest Star Trek movie. I don't even know what it's called. Because the last one was like Into Darkness, and that was Khan, I believe. So I don't know where this one's going to take up. I know in the original series, I don't know if they're going to go a different way with it, but in the original movies, I think they go to Genesis next, or something like that. It's in my camera's turning by itself. But that is what I'm going to do today. And clean up this mess. Because I'm supposed to leave in like 30 minutes. And I just got out the shower. That's why my hair's like all flictated. But my hair's been, it doesn't stick up like it used to anymore. It's like all thin. Can you see it? But guys, I'm going to go. Like I said earlier in the video, I just wanted to give, or at least record my new 1080 graphics card if something should go wrong. However, it went on without a hitch, and now I'm going to play all kinds of games. But anyway guys, this has been Breaking Focus, and as always, capture the moment.